So, ayan ang Huawei Matepad T10S. Let's unbox it. Ayan, unboxing the tablet now. Ayan, may official receipt. Next is SIM ejector. Meron pa tayong charger. Type-C po ang charger ng Huawei Matepad T10S. Ayan, i-open na natin ang tab. Ayan, that's how it looks. Ayan, terms of use, insert SIM card. So, pwede siyang ma-insertan ng SIM card. So, this is the exciting part. Yung mga freebies. So, first freebie, first box, Huawei notebook. Ayan. Ayan, tingnan natin ang notebook, guys. Ang ganda, diba? Orange ang kulay niya. Super ganda niya. So, magagamit ko na siya sa school. So, ayan, may user manual pa yan. Next is retractable USB. And may mirror pa yan. And the third one is speaker. Yan. Ayan. Type-C din ang charger niya, guys. So, kahit anong freebie pa yan, basta free talaga. Exciting. Next, the last one is the night light or the moonlight. It has 3 light modes. Yan, meron siyang stand. Pailawin natin, guys. Dito sa madilim. Ayan. Those are the 3 modes. Yan. Diba?